Hi guys, and welcome to another interactive science workshop. Now today we're going to look at colour changing milk. So what we're going to need, some detergent, some milk, a plate, or it's got to have a little bit of a shallow dip in it, okay? Or you can have a shallow dish. We need some food colouring, we need some cotton buds, and a little container to put our detergent in. All right, let's do it. Okay, let's get started. First we're going to pour some milk onto our plate. Okay. We don't want it to overflow, so make sure that you've still got some room. Okay, and then what we have to do, we have to add different drops of the colours. So just a drop. We're not mixing them. Okay, we might put them in all the corners. It's a little bit more than a drop. Okay, so we've got our 4 colours. Now the next job is we need to grab our cotton bud. I've just used baby ones because they've got a little bit more grip on them. Okay, we've got to soak it in the detergent. Okay. All right, now what we're going to do, we're going to see what happens when we put them into the centre. So it moved. Let's do the green one. Okay, we might need to have another one. Okay, so we can do the red. Okay, so we can make patterns. Look how it all moves. So basically the detergent is an excellent emulsifier. So what that means, it enables liquids that would not normally mix to actually mix in together. The experiment uses food colouring to explore the effects of how detergent on milk can create some amazing pictures. So as you can see, look at it separating. That's all from the detergent. See if we do over here. See how it's all mixing in together? Okay, so the food colouring allows us to see the invisible movement of molecules, which we can start to see because we've got all these little bits that are starting to move together. The fat in the milk is altered by the soap, causing it to roll around until everything is evenly mixed. So it'll keep going around. If we leave this overnight or for a bit longer, it will keep going until it's evenly mixed. Okay, have fun. Okay guys, for your next interactive science workshop, you're going to be making a high-tech hand with Julian. The materials you need is an A4 sheet of cardboard, ruler, scissors, pen or pencil, 2 large straws, masking tape, string, and a hot glue gun. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you can use the craft glue. All right, we'll see you then.